Hey foodies, I'm making something special for you today. I'll be making some plantain jam, really nice for you to have with a piece of toast, and this is just a great way for you to use up those overripe plantains that you'd otherwise throw away.
Better can't cook. Ticket there you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
This is pretty much easy to make, not much ingredients are needed. So first things first, we're going to need some plantains. I'll be using 3.5 overripe plantains. These are the Chinese plantains and they're small. So what you're going to do first is you're going to peel those plantains. You're just going to remove the skin of the plantain and then you're just going to cut it up and add it right in your blender. Just you can cut these up in chunks, especially if they're super ripe and really soft. Just cut them up into some chunks, add them to your blender like this, and then you'll just get ready to blend these up nicely. If you prefer your jam with little chunks of the plantain in it, then you don't need to blend this all the way, but I need mine nice and smooth. So here I'll be adding to this just 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is the juice from 1 lemon actually, but it gave me 4 tablespoons. Now I'm going to blend this up some more, get it nice and smooth because that's just the way I like it. But as I said, if you want chunks in it, don't blend it this much. But look at this goodness. I love how it smells right now. So after blending this all up, this is the consistency. It's a bit runny right now, but do not worry, smelling good. Now in a pot over low heat, I'll be adding 3/4 cups of water. Then I'll be going in with 1 cup of sugar, and this is granulated sugar. And of course guys, this is jam, so it will be a little sweet, and then the sugar is actually to help to get everything together in that nice jam form. So just mix the sugar all around until it's nice and dissolved. You don't need to add a lot of water to this because you don't want to be cooking this too long. So get that sugar nice and dissolved. And this recipe guys is really good for you if you have overripe bananas or overripe plantains. So here I'm adding the plantain puree all in my pot, which is over low heat, and this is a non-stick pan. Ensure that you get everything out. Then you just mix this all around, mix until everything is nice and combined. So just keep mixing this over the low heat. And once everything is nice and combined, you're going to want to turn your stove up just a notch to just about medium low. I really love the smell of this. Really nice. Alright, this is runny right now. As you can see, the consistency right now is runny. I should have mentioned to you guys that the lemon juice will actually give this a really nice flavor, but the lemon juice will help this, will preserve this. This can actually stay in your fridge for up to a month, and that lemon juice really helps to keep it nice. Right, so mix everything together. Now the heat is up just a bit, so you're going to want to mix this around in your pot occasionally. We're going to leave this in the pot to cook for just about 20 minutes, or until everything is nice and thick, nice and together, and it's hard to kind of fall off the spatula. So ensure that you're turning this every now and then, And once you see these big bubbles coming in this, you know that your plantain is all cooked and everything is coming together. Ensure that you try to use a non-stick pan, but if you don't have a non-stick pan and you want to make your plantain jam, go right ahead. Just ensure that you monitor this because it's plantain and it's really easy to burn. And look at my spatula right now. You can see that it's nice and forming. The consistency has definitely changed. This is getting nice and thick. Lovely. And I'm just taking my time here to just turn this. And guys, trust me, take your time, because if this kind of bubbles up and it pops on your skin, on your hand, trust me, it's really hot. Take it from me, so just take your time, stir this up. You can stir it up every 5 minutes, so that's 4 times throughout the 20 minutes that we're going to have it on the stove. So this is coming down. So what I'm going to add right now is some vanilla extract. I'm adding the vanilla extract at this point. This is 1 teaspoon because it just gives it a stronger flavor, right, if you add it now than if you've added it in the beginning. See guys, this is coming along. Previously this would just slide off your spatula, but now it's kind of sticking to the spatula just a bit. Lovely. And this is it guys, like 1 minute left on the fire. This has reduced a lot, and look at it, nice and thick. And once you see the sides starting to dry, the sides of your pot starts to dry, that's it, your jam is ready. Look at this guys, you can give it a nice taste. It is sticking to my spatula, so that indicates that it is ready. So I've left this to cool down for an hour. So this is how it's looking right now. It's nice and thick, it is smelling real good. And now I'm just going to bottle this. You can add this in a glass container, keep it in your fridge for about a month. But this is the close-up guys, looking real nice. It gives a really nice spread. So I'm going to spread some for you on a slice of, just so you can see how much of a nice spread it gives. Really yummy. You can add as much as you want to toast. You can have this for in the morning. You can have this when you're having breakfast. You can have it in the evening, whenever time you want to have it. It's really good. Look at how nice and thick it is. Really nice. Store this in the refrigerator though. The lemon will help to preserve it. Really yummy recipe guys. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this video. Now you know that when you have your overripe plantains or bananas, you don't need to throw them away. Lovely plantain jam recipe by ROMA'S Kitchen. So of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, visit my website at roma'skitchen.net, and you may find the printable full ingredients list there. Until next video.